If garbage is connected with house, then what is connected with Ganj? Or it is pronounced as sometime Ganje. If garbage is connected with house, then which one is connected with Ganje? Try at least. Garbage means it is the waste of house. Then Ganje is connected with the ore. It is the waste of ore. Okay, next one. Which of the following pairs of words have the same relationship as fan and heat? The answer is food with hunger. Practically, when it is hot, we circulate the air to keep us cool. In the same way, when we eat food, we eat food to satiate our hunger. Now, the hunger satiate means you can say that is satisfies to the full. Next one, paleontology is connected with fossil. Then which one is connected with phrenology? Practically, paleontology is the study of fossils to determine the structure and evolution of extinct. In the same manner, phrenology means it is the study of the structure of the skull. So the answer would be skull. If demographer is connected with the people, then what is connected with the philatelist? The answer is stamp. Practically, philately is a hobby which is connected with the collection of stamps. Demographer, that means who collects information about people. So philatelist who collects stamps. So stamps would be the right answer. Next one, if sepal is connected with the flower, then which should be the better choice? Foot with ball, tire with bicycle, puppy with dog, sandals with shoes. Sepal means each of the parts of the flower enclosing the petals and typically green and also leaf-like. So it is practically the parts of the flower. If we consider the foot with ball, that is wrong because foot is not any part of the ball. Puppy is a type of dog, sandals is a type of shoe, but tire is a part of bicycle. So in that case, the tire is part, or you may say also protects, as sepal also protect the flower, the bicycle. Next one, if 8 is to 39, then 72 is to
C351.
why?
8 into 9, 72. Then 9 into 39, 351.
No,
It's just a
prac-
ratio.
practically that is not. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. Now what is happening here? That is 8 means 8 into 1. Okay, that 1 is here and we are getting 40 minus 1 is equal to 39. Then look at 72. Okay, so 72 means we have 8 into 9. Okay, so that means here that is 72 into 5. That 9 is here, minus 9. That is 360 minus 9. Once again, 8 into 5, that 8 is here. That's why 72 is here, that is 8 into 9, into 5 minus 9, that is 351. Whatever you have said, that is also connected with that type of calculation. No problem. That means it is connected with the multiple of 8. Next one, 134 is to 4. Then 726 is to
Sir, 12.
why? It is 1, 2, 3. Divide into 2 parts, 12 and 3. So that is becoming 12 by 3 is equal to 4. So we are getting 1, 2, 3 is to 4. In the same manner, 7, 2, 6. Divide into 2 parts. That is 72 by 6. That means 12. So that's why we are getting 726 is to 12. Okay. So the answer is 12. That is right. Next one. Very easy.
16.
16.
That is 9 square is equal to 81. Then 4 square is equal to 16.
Five. Option B, 5.
No,
Sir, 0.
0. And we can find it using two ways. First one way, 5 is wrong. First one way, we can say it may be 8 into 3 is equal to 24. So we are taking the last digit. So it is 8 star 3 is to 4. In the same way, if we have 6 into 5 is equal to 30, we are taking the last digit. So we may get 6 star 5 is to 0. That is the first way. Otherwise, another way you can say 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 minus 1. That means 4. So 8 star 3 is to 4. That is the first way. Another way, 6 minus 3, that is, 6 minus 5, we are getting 1, then minus 1 is equal to 0, or 6 star 5 is to 0. So both way you can get the 0.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay.
There exists more than one logic. So my logic was 8 into 3, 24 divided by 6, 4.
Say 8 into 3,
8 into 3, 24.
24.
If we divide it by 6, we get 4.
We get 4. Okay,
Then,
right.
yes. Then 5 into 6, if we divide it by 6, the answer will be 5.
6 into 5, that is 30.
30.
Divide
Divided
by,
by 6,
that is,
we get 5.
we get 5. But from where we are getting that particular 6, as like we are getting here the 1. That's why you are saying, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It may be. It may be. It may be. No problem. Okay. It may be. If we consider the 6 divided by 6, then it is also giving us 5. Okay. Any other way to divide by 5? No. So it may be 4 or 5. Okay. 5 or 0. It may be. No problem. Next one. $25 is to 175. 32 is to
Sir, 160.
160. Why?
Sir, ওই 25 টাকা যদি আমি ভাঙি 2 plus 5 7
Right, right.
আর
25
5 into
into
7 হলে
2
175
plus
হবে।
5. Better say 2 plus 5.
হ্যাঁ,
So we are getting 175. In the same
এরকম
manner,
32 টাও আমরা করতে
32
পারি। হ্যাঁ,
into 3 plus 2.
3
That
plus
is
2,
5.
হ্যাঁ,
160. Okay. Okay, very good. MAD is to JXA, then run is to
UXQ.
UXQ. Why?
M plus 3 we get J.
M plus
If
3
we
or
consider
minus 3?
sorry, J plus 3M.
Hmm.
এর
J.
opposite হবে।
J. Practically we are getting
Then
KL,
OSQ.
KL then M. Okay.
Okay.
So X, Y, Z, then we are getting A.
Yes,
Or
sir.
A, we are getting minus 3. That means B, C, then D. So in the same manner, we have run. So
We'll get option A, OSQ.
U, no, O, P, Q, then R, then S. That means no, S after that U.
PU. Oh, then না হবে না তাহলে।
No, no,
option
no,
D,
no, no.
option D.
R, R,
আর
S, T, then U, then K, L, M. So the final would be O, R, K. O, X, Q is not right. Okay. Always in between these two letters, there are two letters. B, J, C, I, J, B, I, C. Very easy.
Sir, XCWD.
Right. Because in that case, what is happening? BI, we are writing BI, the terminal two letters in between. Then the in between letters are as terminal. So here CW would be in middle and XB would be outside. So XCWD. SHIRIJ.
option B, PKL.
PKL. Why? We have SHI. Okay.
The first one will be -1 and the rest will be +1.
RIL. Okay, so that is mine and well. RS, right? RS, then HI plus 1, IJ plus 1. So that is minus plus 1 plus 1. So here also Q, J, K, J, K, L plus 1, that means M. No,
K
L,
plus 1
L,
L.
L, L. L, and that would be K. And that is P, PKL. HCM, FAK, SGD.
Option C,
HC
QEB.
QEB. Both all the cases -2 is happening.
-2.
Here FGH ABC and here KLM. So that would be also, if we consider QEB RS. Okay, so here E, F, then G, C, then D, QEB. BFG is to EIJ RVW. Very easy.
UYZ.
UYZ, because all the cases that is happening class 3. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and G, H, I, J. So that is also RVW, ST. So U, V, W, X, then Y, W, X, Y, then Z. So UYZ. Okay. Physiology is related to biology in the same way as metaphysics is related to any answer?
No, sir.
Answer is philosophy. Although the physics term is there, that is not connected with physics, statistics, or mathematics. Physiology is related to biology. Metaphysics is practically physiology is a branch of biology. In the same way, the metaphysics is a branch of physiology. Sorry, that is philosophy. I am saying wrong. That is must be philosophy. Physiology is another term. Okay. Annotate is related to text in the same way as caption is related to
So
Photograph.
why?
photograph.
Why?
We always use caption with a photograph.
Yes, yes. We always use caption. Practically, what is the meaning of caption? Any idea? Whatever.
text,
টাইটেল টাইপের কিছু মানে ফটোর যে টাইটেল সেরকম
Practically, whatever I am doing here, na, that is we are annotating the text. Whatever I am writing here. Practically, annotate means it is a comment. Comment on text, comment on PDF, comment of some text like that. Caption, whatever we are doing, uploading any photo, and sometime we are giving in the social media, we are giving the caption. So that is also a type of comment, not the comment section there. That is the caption. Caption means comment practically. That is connected with photograph. Novel, law, film all have the title, not the captions. Distill is related to whiskey in the same way as brew is related to any idea?
No, sir.
Maybe you have find the term distill. Distill means distillation. Whiskey is produced by distillation. That means distill is a process to create the whiskey. Same as brew is a process to create the beer. Okay. Next one, flower is related to petal in the same way as book is related to
Page.
Page.
Option A.
why?
The flower is made of petal.
Right.
Uh,
Practically, petal constitutes the flower. It better describes constitutes the flower in the same way page constitute the book. Röntgen is related to X-rays in the same way as becquerel is related with or related to okay, that is connected with radioactivity. In that case, X-ray, it has the unit Röntgen, and also that is the name of the scientist who created the X-ray. In the same manner, becquerel is the unit of radioactivity. That is also the name of the scientist who has invented the radioactivity. That's why. South connected with northwest, then west it connected with north, east, south, west. So that means we have when northwest, so that is our northwest.
Northeast.
Why northeast? So northeast means
We are moving circularly,
that means
clockwise.
the angle is practically 90 degree plus 45 degree. That means 135 degree. In that case, also the angle is 135 degree. And both case we are moving clockwise. Clockwise, not anti-clockwise. Okay, so that the answer is northeast. Tectonics is connected with building, taxidermy,
Conserving.
no. Tectonics means already you have found the term tectonic plate when the earthquake happens, and that is the one cause of tectonic plate is one of the cause of earthquake. Tectonics is connected with the science for building, and taxidermy is the science for stuffing animals. Science for stuffing animals. Dawn connected with dusk, then inauguration connected with
Valediction.
why?
The opposite. Opposite. Dawn opposite dusk. Inauguration opposite valediction.
Practically valediction means
Farewell.
action of saying farewell. Okay, action of saying farewell. So in that case, the dusk is the opposite of dawn, and that's why the inauguration opposite of valediction. Okay. Spongy is connected with silk. then salot is connected with just one hints is a type, Panji or Panji silk, like we say. Panji is a type of silk. Salot,
It's a boat.
nearly, but that is not. Boat, there is no other type of boat. Boat is a boat. Practically, that is a type of ship. Salot is a type of ship. Painting is connected with artist, then symphony,
Composer.
right? Because symphony is a composing of music. You may also heard the name of Mozart symphony. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so painting is the connected with artist, then symphony is with the composer. Fire is with connection extinguish, then thirst.
Drink.
Very
It's a
good.
drink.
Drink. Time is connected with waste, then money.
Spent.
And
It's a loss.
No, that is connected with squander. Squander means waste in a reckless and foolish manner. Whenever we are wasting the time, practically that type of wasting the time means it is recklessly and foolishly. When we are thinking about money and the option spent, that is wrong, connected, not, it is not with the wasting. Earn, that is opposite, so that would be not. You may think about lose, but lose is after wasting whatever we are finding. So that is also not the best option. Squander means the waste in a reckless and foolish manner. So money we are squandering, then the lose is coming. So the answer must be squander. Equine, horse, vulpine, any idea?
No, sir.
Both are type. Equine, practically a member of horse family, and vulpine is also a member of wolf family. Maybe in any Hollywood cinema movie, you can find maybe Alice in Wonderland, the model Alice in Wonderland, a big wolf was there, and that was called as vulpine. Okay, next one, interview is connected with job, then armitage, any idea about armistice?
No, sir.
Armistice means practically it is an agreement made by opposing sides in a war to stop fighting for a certain time. In Bengali, it is called Juddho Biroti. So according to that, opposing sides are there in any interview. Opposing sides are there. After that, we are getting the job. In that case, the war is happening continuously. So, where is not true? Now you can think about that agreement. Okay, as it is an agreement, but agreement is right, but more important is treaty. Treaty means the same meaning. So that's why agreement is not true here. At least the answer is treaty. The treaty is more appropriate at that moment other than agreement. What is the meaning of amnesty? Any idea? That means that term is also very important because you would find it also in any other type of question also. Amnesty, that is an official pardon for people who have been convinced of political offenses. Suppose some government has declared something, but that is wrong. And after that, when the government is again pardoning that sin, that is called the amnesty. So, and that is an official pardon for people. Cardiology is connected with heart, then zoology, very easy.
Animals. Sir.
Animals. January is connected with November, then Sunday.
Friday.
Friday. How?
-2.
-2, or you may say, if we think about January and November, that is according to the month for complete year. So final year is December, then -1.
Second last one.
Second last one.
Second last.
Same as for any week, we are starting from Sunday. So the last one would be the Saturday, and the last one would be the Friday, or the alternate one. Okay. Konosa is connected with earth, same as Gaumet is connected with. Now check here that R is not pronounced, same as when that R is here, G-O-U-R, that is also not pronounced. That is pronounced as Konose, and that is Gaumet or Gaumet, but R is not pronounced. Any idea? Okay, what is the meaning of Konose? Now, Konose means an expert judge in matters of taste. That taste means not always the about or connected with the tongue, but taste means taste of art, how good it is. So gourmet is connected with the taste of food, that is connected with the tongue, not money, drink, or flesh. Next one, cup is connected with saucer, then knife is connected with
Fork.
fork. Why? Always we are thinking it about a pair. That means cup plate or cup saucer. So knife is always connected with a pair, that is fork. Cricket is connected with pitch. Skating is connected with
Rink.
ring. That is the thing where the first one, that means cricket, is played on pitch or performed on pitch. Skating is also played on ring. You have to know about all the other performant positions for that also. Suppose court. Court means the lawn tennis, or you may say also any other type of outdoor game where the court is required. Suppose basketball. Okay, there is also court. That is not field. Horse is connected with gallop, then duck. You may find that gallop word also in the train system or rail line system. That is galloping ten, gallop in 10. Any idea? Horse is connected with gallop. Practically, gallop means that is run so fast so that 4 feet come off the ground, and that is only connected with the horse. Duck, how it moves, and that is connected with waddle or waddle, that is walk with short steps and a clumsy swing or slowing and also swaying motion. Okay, so duck is also connected with waddle. Ornithologist is connected with birds. Then anthropologists,
Mankind.
Mankind.
mankind. That is the study with birds. Then anthropologists study with the mankind. Next one, perch with fresh water. Then which one is with salt water?
Cod.
Cod.
Cod. Why? Practically, perch is a type of fish or animals which live in the fresh water, and cod is a type of fish or animals which live in the salt water. And already we know the term, that is cod fish. Okay. Insert with extract, then mighty.
Feeble.
Right. Opposite. Insert, its opposite is extract. Mighty means, you may know, that is processing power. As you know, the God is almighty. That means God has all the processing power. So feeble means that is lacking of physical, and sometimes is also called the mental power or strength. So in that case, the feeble is the right. Crow with the carrion, then leech.
Blood.
Why? What is the meaning of carrion?
Carrion means the wasted food, something like that.
In Bengali,
Waste.
it may say the uchinno, but that is not the perfect definition of carrion. Carrion means originally the decaying flesh of dead animals, and that is the food habits of crow also. So leech has the blood food habit. Heart is connected with the pericardium. Then brain is connected with
Skull.
skull is near about
Cranium.
but not appropriate here.
The cranium.
Right, cranium. Because what is happening here, that is related with the bony protective covering or cover of the first one. When we are thinking about heart, then it has first protecting cover is the pericardium. Then the veins or other type of fleshy things are happening. In the case of brain, we are thinking that skull is the first covering. No, cranium is the first protective cover. Then the skull comes. That's why cranium is the best option here. 7 is to 48. Then 12 is to
143.
yeah.
Say 143.
That is 7 square minus 1, that is 48. So in that case, that is 12 square minus 1, 143. Very easy that was. 7 is to 36, then 26 is to
625.
625. Why?
7 minus 1 square, 36.
Right,
So 26
right.
minus 1 square, 6.
That is 7, and we are thinking about 7 minus 1 or 6. It's square now. That is 36. So here also 26. So that means we are thinking about 26 minus 1 or 25. And after that, 25 square is equal to 625. Any other option? Any other option may happen? 7 is to 36, then 26. So at that moment, not happening, or we are thinking. Okay. Okay, next one. That's very easy.
Option D.
So
Hmm.
144.
That
144.
is 9 square means 81. So 12 square means 144. 35 is to 4. Then 39 is to
6.
6. Okay. How?
35. 3 plus 5 divided by 4. We get 2.
Okay,
Then
that
9
is
plus 3
3
divided by
plus
2.
5 by 4. That
We
means
get
we are
2.
getting 2. Okay. And another one, 39. So we are getting 3 plus 9 divided by 4. So
Sorry, sir. First divided by 2 হবে.
that is
5 plus
6.
3 divided by 2.
6 divided by 6.
No,
Divided by
the
6.
first one. The first one.
No. That is also true. That is also true. If we think about that 4 here, that means 35 is
Oh,
to
the
4
same. It's same.
home.
It
So
will
we
give
are
same
thinking
result.
about 39 is to 6. That means 6. We are getting 2 in the both the cases.
It will give
Okay.
same result.
So 6 is maybe one answer. Another answer maybe like 20. Why? That is 35. That means 7 into 5. Now we are getting 7 minus 5. That means 2. And with that, we are multiplying the 2. So we are getting 4. Same as 39. So that means 13 into 3. And with that, 13 minus 3, we are getting 10. And now we are multiplying it with 2. So we are getting 20. So 20 may be another answer. Is that right now?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Both the cases happens. In that cases, if you have only one choice, so you can opt for any one. 1 2 4 7 3 4 6 9. Remember that must be the first one, not the second one.
Sir, 0136.
0 1 3 6. Why?
Sir, এখানে মানে একটা
We
করে
are
গ্যাপে
getting
আছে।
1 plus
হ্যাঁ
2 3, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 7 plus 2 9. So in that case, if we have 0 plus 2, that means 2, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 6 plus 2 8. So A is the answer. 12 is to 72, then 8 is to what is the answer?
the 32.
32, right? Because in that case, what is happening? 12 by 2 is equal to 6 we are getting. So we have 12 into 6 is equal to 72. That's why 12 is to 72. In that case, so we are getting 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So that means 8 into 4 is equal to 32. Right. Next one. 6 is to 42, then 7 is to easy.
Option C,
C,
52.
52. Why?
The sum is 7. At first, 4 plus 2, we get 6.
6 is to 4 plus 2. That means
We
6.
get ratio
Okay.
1:1.
7 is to 5
5
2
plus 2.
plus 2. Okay, that is another option. That is another option. Otherwise, we can think at 6 is to 6 plus 1 into 6. So that means 6 is to 42. Then another option 7 is to
Option A.
7 plus
56 ও
1,
হতে পারে।
7 plus 1 is to 7. That means 7 is to 56. In that way also we can proceed and we can get 56. But 52 is also possible. 52 is also possible. Okay. That means here we are getting 6 is to 42 and 7 is to 52. Next one, 16 is to 22, 36 is to here are also two options available. First one may be 16 is to 22. That means 4 into 4 is to 4 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 minus 3. Okay, so in that way, that is 36. That means 6 into 6. So we have 6 plus 1 into 6 plus 1 minus 3. That means 49 minus 3 or 46. So one option may be 46. Another one we can think, that is 4 into 4, that is for 16, and 22, that means 4 into 4 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, so here another one would be 36. That means 6 into 6. So 6 into 6 plus 1 plus 2. That means 42 plus 2, 44. Is that right now?
Yes, sir.
So there may be two options. Okay, next one. Easy. That is 2 by 9, 3.
(79 by 69).
How?
2 into 10 minus 1, 3 into 10 minus 1.
Okay, that means you are saying 2 into 10 minus 1, and here also 3 into 10 minus 1. So that is also 80 minus 1, means 8 into 10 minus 1 divided by 7 into 10 minus 1, or 69. Another one very easy was there. 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 9 are extra. 1, 2 by 3, that means 1 by 2, that means 9, 9. Here is also 79, that means 8 minus 1, 7, 7 minus 1, 6, 9, 9. So that is the answer. Okay, the final one. Giant is connected with dwarf, then genius is connected with
Idiot.
idiot. Completely,
Idiot.
completely opposite.
Opposite.
Opposite. Odd, or we can say is as antonym.